Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, in today's video I will teach you how you can do Pinterest keyword research. Uh, this is the method number 2. In the previous video we will discuss method 1. So let's get started and let's see how we can create up how we can do Pinterest keyword research. So I again come into home feed. So basically, we are doing keyword research with the help of Pinterest Ad Manager. So we cannot run Pinterest ads, but we will do keyword research with the help of Pinterest keyword tool. So let's go to analytics and let's go to ads, and after that create campaign. So it will redirect it towards Pinterest ads, but we can just click on accept. We do not want to run ads. We can just click on manual campaign, get started. We just want to get the keywords. So after that, click on consideration and so this is the targeting details, and we can click on find new customer, select, and after that audience list and interest and keywords. Click on interest and keywords. Guys, believe me, this is a very effective method for Pinterest keyword research. So these are all interest, and click on select it, and that's it. So you can also select your interest if your niche is in the interest, like this. My niche is in interest, quotes, author, poetry, quotes by genre. So but I do not want to select this one. I click on selected, and here I write Pinterest, sorry, here I write like ins guys, wait a second. I'm sorry, click on add keywords, and here you can write inspirational so this is very amazing tool. As you can see, inspirational quotes, plus it show you the monthly searches. This is amazing. Inspirational quotes, 5 million plus monthly searches, so you can see the potential. So I click on this keyword, and as you see, it is added in our list. I copy this keyword and paste it here because I want to do keyword research on inspirational quotes. So inspirational quotes about life, 3 million, 4 million, 3 million to 4 million monthly searches. I added this one. Inspirational quotes positivity, 2 million, 3 million. I added also this one. This quotes, sorry, this is not our keyword. And inspirational quotes positive wall art, inspirational quotes. Guys, if you notice that these are the same keywords which we will research in our previous method, but this is the easy process. In the previous method, you work little bit hard, but this is very easy. You can just simply write your keyword and get out the related keywords. So you can simply copy the keywords, control C, and paste it in your list. So we will search on another keyword, like on funny quotes. As you can see, 5 million searches. So I write here funny quotes, and it will show me different keywords related to this keyword, like funny quotes about life, 1 million to 2 million monthly searches. Funny quotes about life, funny quotes about health, funny quotes about Thanksgiving, quotes, funny quotes, inspirational quotes, friendship quotes. Friendship quotes is very good, like love quotes. This is also very good niche. So as you can see, love quotes for him 5 million plus searches. So love quotes is also a very good topic to work on. There is very huge traffic on this and more potential. So after that, love quotes for her, tattoos. So just play with this tool and get the keywords as you need for your Pinterest profile. If you get 200 quotes from this tool, this is enough for your 1 year content. You can make different pins on these keywords and search and rank your profile in Pinterest. So you can get huge traffic and you can use this traffic on your affiliate, on your website, on your YouTube channel, and many more things. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button, like our video, and share it with your friends and family. And if you have any question about it, then drop the your question in the comment box. I will surely reply you. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.